Oh, it's oh no, 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 no.
But like many of you, I really enjoyed the Squid Game series, if you couldn't tell from the shorts that I've posted recently. As makers, many people view us as being hyper creative all the time, but honestly, I struggle with the creativity side of my projects. One thing that's helped me lately is to draw inspiration from something I get really into that I read or watch, like Squid Game. So today we're gonna make 2 variations of 2 projects, all inspired by Squid Games. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how you can win one of these projects. We're gonna start by cutting out our shapes out of some cheap hardboard. Okay, I fully recognize that not everybody has access to a laser to cut the shapes out like I did, but you can totally use whatever tools you already have on hand. I even used a box cutter in the shorts to cut shapes just like this out. The laser just saves me time because I'm making a bunch of them. Next up, we need to paint these to get rid of this ugly brown. Our pieces are not dry, so here's where the projects are going to diverge from each other. I want to lay these pieces into a picture frame for one of the projects. I'm going to do that using entirely scrap wood. So I'm going to grab some scrap wood to break down, and then we can reassemble it into 2 picture frames. Between the silicone and the tape, hopefully our frames are sealed up enough for the epoxy. Unfortunately, it's a little bit chilly in my shop right now, so I'm gonna move inside where it's more warm to do the epoxy pours.
Oh, it's tilted. Oh no, 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 no.
Alright, it's gonna be hard to see, but... That one is tilted, so it's going over too much, so I need to fix that. Well, that was stressful and didn't go to plan at all. I did figure out though that I broke one of the fundamental rules when it comes to working with epoxy. I didn't level my work surface before I did the pour. So now I need to go back, level the surface, and try to salvage all 4 of the projects, if I even can. So fortunately that mostly worked. I was able to salvage 3 of the projects after correctly leveling my work surface, although I did lose a good bit of the footage of those second pours. Now it's time to finish each of these projects. I just need to clean them up, add some finish, and one final detail. Despite my mistakes with the epoxy pours, I was able to mostly salvage the coasters as well as one of the signs. I am gonna hang the sign up in my shop as a reminder to learn from my mistakes. For the better looking 2 projects that I have, I'm teaming up with my friends at Total Boat to do a giveaway the first couple of weeks that this video is out. Total Boat is giving away a quart kit of their maker epoxy, which is exactly what I used for all 4 projects. So thank you, Total Boat. I am giving away the better looking sign and coaster set. The link for the giveaway is down in the description until the giveaway closes. In addition to being inspired by movies and TV, I also enjoy projects where I can learn a new skill or learn from some mistakes. I did all of that earlier this year when I power carved a Deadpool head that I now use as a headphone stand. I've got that video pulled up for you right over here, so I'll see you in that video.